Hello and welcome back to Eat Like a Viking. I'm the Saxonist forager of them all, aka Craig. Today we're going to be making fresh soft cheese. This is a nice easy one to do, only takes a couple of ingredients and it tastes amazing. So let's get to it. Start by heating 1 litre or 4 cups of full fat milk. Heat the milk until almost boiling. If you're using a thermometer, this is about 90 degrees Celsius. Take the milk off of the heat and add 250 ml or 1 cup of cultured buttermilk or 30 ml of vinegar or rennet. Stir thoroughly before leaving for around 15 minutes. The milk will curdle and the whey and curds will separate. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth to remove the whey. You can keep the whey for making flatbreads or adding to soups and stews, or even use it for pickles and preserves. Hang the cheesecloth full of cheese somewhere to drip for around 2 hours. And that's it, it really is that simple. It's great, served on a nice bit of bread. Thanks for watching and see you next time.